Complete ICT Computer Studies Command Line Interface CLI MCQ. Topical question and answers. Revision Practice Exam. Q, which command is used to display or modify file extension associations. A display. B. Modify. C. Assoc. D. Attrib. Correct answer, C. Explanation. The command assoc is used to display or modify file extension associations. Q, which command is used to modify access control lists ACLs of files. A displace. B. Sets. C. Break. D. Call. Correct answer, C. Explanation. The command cackles is used to modify access control lists ACLs of files. Q, which command displays the name of the current directory. A call. B. CD. C. CHCP. D. CHDI. Correct answer, D. Explanation. The CD command displays or changes the current directory. Q, which command displays or modifies the checking of a disk at boot time. A chkdsk. B. chkndfs. CCLS. DCOM. Correct answer, B. Explanation. The chkndfs command displays or modifies the checking of a disk at boot time. Q, which command sets the default console foreground and background colors. A com. B. Compact. C. Convert. D. Colors. Correct answer, D. Explanation. Sets the default console foreground and background colors. Q, which command displays a list of files and subdirectories in a directory. A copy. B. Day. C. Del. D. Die. Correct answer, D. Explanation. Displays a list of files and subdirectories in a directory. Q, which command is used to display messages or turn command echoing on or off. It is copy. B. Dispot. C. Dosky. D. Echo. Correct answer, D. Explanation. The command echo is used to display messages or turn command echoing on or off. Q, which command is used to compare two files and display the differences between them. A display. B. Comparer. C. FC. D. Def. Correct answer, C. Explanation. The FC command is used to compare two files and display the differences between them. Q, which command is used to compare two files or sets of files and display the differences between them. A forma. B. Finster. C. Find. D. fsudo. Correct answer, a find. Explanation. The command find is used for searching for text in files, not for comparing files. Q, which Windows command is used to display or configure file system properties. A format. B. fsudo. C. ftype. D. gresult. Correct answer, B. Explanation. Displays or configures the file system properties. Q, which Windows command is used to direct the command interpreter to a labeled line in a batch program. A gresult. B. graphTable. C. help. D. ecals. Correct answer, A. Explanation. Directs the command interpreter to a labeled line in a batch program. Text directs the Windows command interpreter to a labeled line in a batch program. Q, which command creates symbolic links and hard links. Icals. If. C. label. D. mclink. Correct answer, D. Explanation. Creates symbolic links and hard links. Direct quote from text. Q, which command is used to create a directory. A mode. B. mkdir. C. move. D. open files. Correct answer, B. Explanation. The command mkdir is used to create a directory. Q, which command displays files opened by remote users for a file share. A display files. B. open files. C. setba. D. print. Correct answer, B. Explanation. Displays files opened by remote users for a file share. Q, which command is used to remove a directory. A prints a text file. B. changes the Windows command prompt. C. saves the current directory and changes it. D. removes a directory. Correct answer, D. Explanation. The rd command is used to remove a directory. Q, which command is used to rename a file or files in a DOS environment. A rename. B. replace. C. rndir. D. set. Correct answer, A. Explanation. Renames a file or files. Q, which command is used to schedule commands and programs to run on a computer. A set. B. setlocal. C. a C. D. tasks. Correct answer, D. Explanation. Displays or configures services, background processes, and schedules commands and programs to run on a computer. Tasks. Q, which command schedules tasks to run on a computer. A sort. B. shift. C. tasks. D. start. Correct answer, C. Explanation. C. schedules commands and programs to run on a computer. Q, which command is used to display all currently running tasks including services. A subst. B. System info. C. Taskless. D. Time. Correct answer, C. Explanation: the command taskless is used to display all currently running tasks including services. Q, which command displays the contents of a text file. A taskle. B. Time. C. Title. D. Type. Correct answer, D. Explanation: the type command displays the contents of a text file. Q, which command displays the Windows version. It displays \the contents \of a \text file. B. Var. C. Displays \a disk volume label and serial number. E. Copies files in directory trees. Correct answer, B. Explanation: the var command displays the Windows version. Q, which of the following utilities allows you to display WMI information inside an interactive command shell? A. Xcopy. B. wmic. C. mem. D. keyboard. Correct answer, B. Explanation: wmic displays WMI information inside an interactive command shell. Q, why can learning and memorizing the command language be a disadvantage in using an operation system that allows direct keyboard input for commands? A. Because it enables automation of repetitive tasks. B. Because it requires less time for executing commands. C. Because it offers the ability to group commands together as batch files. D. Because it eliminates the need for keyboard input for commands. Correct answer, A. Explanation: the text states that the disadvantage of an operation system that allows direct keyboard input for commands is a requirement to learn and memorize the command language.